Здравствуйте, здравствуйте, как дела? Хорошо? Сегодня новая фраза. Today we have a new phrase. How to respond to what's your name? My name is. This one is super short and simple. Both formal and informal. Меня зовут. Repeat after me. Меня зовут. Let's use it with an example and merge together. Меня зовут Марк. Меня зовут Марк. The second option, моё имя, literally means my name is. The previous one would actually mean they call me Mark. This one is my name is Mark. Моё имя Марк. Моё, vowel reduction. Моё имя Марк. And the third option is even easier. Я, and then you say your name. Я Дарья. Я Марк. Я Джон. Я Анна. Just I am. So you see, finally, at least there's no difference between formal and informal. That's it for today's super short lesson. If you want to learn Russian with me, check out the links under this video. Thank you very much for learning with me here, and I see you next time. Пока-пока.